the Make-Believe Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the scary spiders decoration, okay? Yeah. First, print up some spiders on some thicker paper, okay? The longer you want it, the more spiders you need. Grab your scissors and cut them out. Great. Now you need a pencil or something to poke holes in the spiders, okay? Poke a hole in the front and the back of each spider, okay? Be careful, don't poke yourself. Now we need some string. And we're going to feed the string through the holes. In the front like that, and out the back like this. Great! And do the same with the other spiders, okay? In the front, and out the back. Great! And the last one. Now, space all your spiders out evenly, okay? And once you have them where you like them, grab some tape and we're gonna flip them over and put one piece of tape on the back of each spider to stop them from moving, okay? Great! And when you're done, you'll have a nice decoration to use on the wall or on the door. Pretty cool, eh? Well, I hope you enjoy making this decoration. I know a song about spiders. Let's sing, okay? Three scary spiders hanging from a tree. Three scary spiders hanging from a tree. I walked under and one fell on me. Oh no! Now there are two scary spiders hanging from a tree. Two scary spiders hanging from a tree. Two scary spiders hanging from a tree. I walked under and one fell on me. Oh no! Now there is one scary spider hanging from a tree. One scary spider hanging from a tree. One scary spider hanging from a tree. I walked under and one fell on me. Oh no! Now there are no scary spiders hanging from a tree. Hey, where did all the spiders go?
I don't know.
Hello, Marty.
Hello, Wendy Witch.
Where's your costume?
Oh no, I forgot. Can you help me?
What do you want to be?
I want to be a rabbit.
Okay.
Am I a rabbit?
No, you're a cat. One more time.
Am I a rabbit?
No, you're a jack-o'-lantern. One more time.
Am I a rabbit?
No, you're a pirate. One more time.
What am I?
You're a rabbit.
Thank you, Wendy Witch.
You're welcome.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!